Hello everyone. This is going to be short and sweet. I just wanted to show you how I took this thrift store drink holder and turned it into a porch flower pot holder. For $1.99 you can't beat the price. This is a rather large tub. It measures 18 inches across, 13 inches deep, and 9.5 inches high. This is something that I made several years ago for a project, and I ended up scrapping the project, so I thought, hey, I'll use them here. I'm going to put a darker layer of these all the way across the top. And I'm showing you how I measured out to get them evenly spaced as much as possible. And I ran my transfer tape a little bit larger than the decal. That way I could measure where I want it, hold it into place, peel off the backing, and then move the backing away. Now it's much easier when you don't have a lot of detail like this, but you get the point. And I'm also showing you how I removed an oopsie. I noticed right away that I got it in the wrong place, so before smoothing it down firmly, I took a sharp sewing needle, got up under the edge of the decal, and peeled away. Next, I staggered a lighter color of the same design over the top to give a shadow effect. Can you see it? Maybe you can see it better here. It may not come through in photos well, but I think it looks really nice, like the sun shining down and giving a shadow. I also added our last name, and this will look really nice sitting by our front door with some beautiful spring potted plants in it. Here I also wanted to include something that I didn't do a video on, but I wanted to share my winter gnomes with you, made from Dollar Tree items. Thank you so much for watching today. If you enjoyed this short video, give me a thumbs up and comment below.